Hello, this is the weekly review for AP World History from March 29th to April 14th. It's actually the multi-week review because we had many weeks that were shortened due to vacation and power outages and things of that nature. We covered Unit 8, the Cold War and Decolonization, as well as Unit 9, Globalization. On Monday, March 29th, we reviewed the last four documents of the DBQ essay we were working on. We reviewed documents from such various communist countries as China, Romania, and Cuba. The purpose of the essay was to analyze the degree to which the communist movement affected the women's rights movement in the 20th century. We talked about the end of the Cold War. The student goal was to explain the causes of the end of the Cold War, and these included things such as revolutions in Central and Eastern Europe and the collapse of the Soviet Union. Throughout the week, we workshopped the DBQ essay. We worked on writing prompts to assist in that effort, and we broke down sections of the essay such as the thesis, developing an argument, sourcing the documents, and contextualizing and providing outside evidence. Our four-class focus was ownership of learning. We looked at previous responses from an earlier exit ticket. You fill out an exit ticket for ownership of learning just before vacation. And the new executive functioning skill we will focus on after vacation will be integrity. We prepared for the Unit 8 exam through writing prompts that reviewed the short answer questions, and then students spent 2 days working on the exam independently. Then we began Unit 9 by reviewing advances in technology and exchange after 1900. Students were asked to explain how the development of new technologies changed the world from 1900 to present. These included the fields of communication, energy, medicine, and the environment. We also talked about technological advances and limitations after 1900, specifically around disease. Students were asked to explain how environmental factors affected human populations over time. So we focused on categories of diseases, such as those associated with poverty, emergent epidemic diseases, diseases associated with increased longevity, and we reviewed all of their effects on the human population. We also talked about the debates about the environment after 1900 due to technological advances. Students were asked to explain the causes and effects of environmental changes in the period 1900 to the present. We discussed some causes of environmental changes, such as urbanization, globalization, and industrialization. We also reviewed terms such as carbon footprint, Paris Agreement, and Anthropocene. Remember, Anthropocene is the modern geologic epoch in which mankind has had an impact on the environment and the planet. What's coming up next? We will continue Unit 9 on globalization. We will have a take-home version of the Unit 9 exam coming up pretty soon, and we'll work on preparing for the AP exam as well, and continue with our new executive functioning skill, as I had said before, which will be integrity. That's it for now. Take care.